What's up, guys? This is Adrian from Fender Arts. Today we have a 1999 911 Carrera. I love these cars, man. I wish I could have one of these. It's coming in for rears only roll. So let's go check it out, see what it has.
So I'm trying to have you guys see the issue there. You can see it has rub marks on the edge of that lip. It obviously has damage at the sidewall of the tire. It protrudes out a little bit, but not much. So in this case, I would advise the client to just have a roll. Okay, guys, we got our roller mounted up with our modification. As you can see, if you don't do this mod, the roller is not gonna fit. But with this mod, it does fit. Alright guys, just like that, we're done with the Porsche. You can see it's flat in there from the inside. You guys see that? Flat in there. That's a job well done to me. So we're just gonna put the wheels back on and send her off her way. See you guys on the next time. This is Adrian from Fender Arts LA. Catch you guys next time.